if your VPS comes with a web host manager or cPanel, on this video I'm going to show you on how you can initially configure your web host manager so you can get started hosting your websites right away. Simply follow the step-by-step guide I'm going to show you here, and you'll be hosting your websites in no time. First of all, type in the web host manager address, which you should get in your VPS welcome email. You will be prompted with a login. Login with your root username and the password given. Now, once you're logged in, don't be overwhelmed by the functions you see here on the left. There's so many functions. To start hosting your websites, you will only need to set up some of the functions here, not all. And I'm going to show you the necessary steps you need to go through before you can start hosting your websites. First things first, we need to change our root password for security. Don't use initial password given by your provider, because we want to use a really strong password. And as I shown you before, we're going to use the random string generator to generate our password. So I'm going to open a new tab here, random string generator. I'm going to use the top one here to generate our random strings for password. Just one string, and I want 20 characters long, so it will be strong, contains numeric, uppercase and lowercase, and get strings. I'm going to copy this out, and I'm going to use this as my new password. Okay, I'm going to click change password here. Now, to make sure I won't forget my new password, I'm going to email it to myself. So I'm going to go to my Gmail account, and compose a new email to myself with the subject VPS WHM password. Just paste it there. So I got my password saved in my email account, so it'll be safe here. So whenever I need to go back and look up my password, just open up my email account. So let's close this up and move forward. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go through these functions, and we're going to do just the ones necessary to get you started to host your website. So we just change the root password, first things first. Then we're going to go to the basic cPanel web host manager setup. So it asks for a new password. I'm going to paste it here. Click change. So we're going to go through this whole initial server configuration settings. Okay, so here is the contact info. I'm not going to use AIM, so let's skip that part. My email address, vpsguide@gmail.com. So here's all the contact info you need to enter in. So in case the server needs to send out any notification to you, you should get it here. ICQ, the cPanel theme, X3, just leave it that way. So we're gonna leave the main Ethernet device as it is. Default home directory, leave it as it is. Home directory prefix, leave it as it is. Now we have to change the host name. So here you need to enter your host name for the server. It's up to you. For example, you can use